You can now see I'm inside the newly built air-conditioned facility of the BIR that will cater to taxpayers. This is unlike in the previous years where this is not enclosed and only electric fans ventilate the area. But so far, as you can see, it's still spacious, no long lines, lots of vacant seats. But still, authorities are advising you to go here as soon as possible to avoid the expected last-minute rush of taxpayers later. If you fail to make it on or before 5 p.m., you will pay a 25% surcharge. You will also pay a 20% interest per year on your tax due and a compromise penalty. But if you're at the vicinity before 5, you can still file your ITR. And if you don't have any plans of filing your ITR, you will have to face a criminal charge of tax evasion. Revenue officials say they are not expecting any overcrowding at tax filing centers. The BIR is now requiring most taxpayers to file their returns via the e-BIR forms. This can be downloaded and filled up by accessing the BIR website. The system was credited for cutting into half the number of taxpayers going to BIR offices. Some taxpayers, however, have complained the e-filing system is not user-friendly and sometimes inaccessible. Tax officials assure users of e-BIR forms of smooth transmission as the e-system has been upgraded. The Bureau also vows to expand the bandwidth or the system capacity to accommodate more users. The BIR also installed special tax filing centers inside major shopping halls and city and municipal halls. Another option, file your ITR through the payment system. You can actually use your mobile phone through a payment option of a telecommunications company. Here you can pay all types of tax payments worth up to 100,000 pesos. On the question on why do we still have to pay our taxes, first, it is our constitutional duty to do so. The government will use the taxes to fund basic social services for the benefit of ordinary citizens and for economic growth as well. For example, for this administration, the government will use most of the taxes or a significant portion of the taxes to fund its planned infrastructure programs. Back to you.
Rex, what is the estimated collection target of BIR for this year?
The target of the BIR for this year is 1.83 trillion pesos. That's half of the national budget for this year, and 60% of it, or 1.1 trillion pesos, will be coming from the large corporate taxpayers. Back to you.